Newton's first law.
An object at rest will remain at rest unless acted on by an unbalanced force. An object in motion continues in motion with the same speed and in the same direction unless acted on by an unbalanced force.
This first experiment of dropping the egg shows Newton's first law.
Let's watch that again, but in slow motion this time. Let's watch that one more time.
This experiment displays Newton's first law of motion by putting an object in motion, which is the egg, and it's being dropped from a balcony at a constant rate of 9.8 meters per second. Once the egg hits the ground, that's the outside force acting upon it, stopping its motion entirely.
Newton's second law. Acceleration is produced when a force acts on a mass. The greater the mass of the object being accelerated, the greater the amount of force needed to accelerate the object.
This experiment of having different weights go down a hill on a skateboard demonstrates Newton's second law.
In this demonstration, Cameron is going down a hill by herself on a longboard. She went down the hill by herself in 17 seconds.
In this video, Cameron and Kira are skateboarding down the hill. They went down the hill in 12 seconds. This proves Newton's second law to be correct because they have more mass, causing them to move faster due to gravity exerting its force on them.
The skateboard with more mass on it went down faster than the skateboard with less mass on it, according to Newton's second law.
The skateboard with less mass went down in 17 seconds, and the skateboard with more mass went down in 12 seconds, proving Newton's second law to be true.
Newton's third law.
According to Newton's third law, every action has an equal and opposite reaction.
This experiment of the dog jumping off the dock and propelling itself into the water displays Newton's third law. Let's watch those again.
Pushes into the dock, there is an equal and opposite reaction force that propels her into the
The
water.
action was Minnie pushing into the dock and creating an equal force and propelling into the water.
There we go.
Hold up.
Scoot over. All right, go.
The end.
Thanks for watching. Here's some bloopers. Bye. Okay, cool.
Newton's second law.
Entirely. And your fingers over the camera. Stopping its motion entirely. Good. Good. Come here. I'll cut that. Did you
According to Newton's second law, acceleration is I can't According to Newton's second law, acceleration is provided when a force acts on a mass. The greater the mass of the object being accelerated, the greater the amount of force needed to accelerate.
Newton's.
Car. What if we put something? Kira! Car! Kira, come back! Don't hit the porta potty. It's gonna be so shaky. So we made it home after 5 days out in the wild.